Hi, I'm Lauren with iHeartSpeech.com, where you can get activities to do with your child to build their communication skills. I'm standing outside a construction theme to show you we're going to be doing all kinds of construction activities this month.
All right, so here we have the Fill It Up game, also known as the Dump Truck game. And I wanted to leave it on the title so you can see that you can use this to play the game while you're practicing any skill. There are so many different skills that you can work on, but here's what you get in this product. So I have the directions on how to play it digitally and in print, and then what we're going to go through today, and then some other games that you might like. So this is the game board. So when you have your kiddo with you, they can, I'm in Zoom right now, and they can annotate to show you which rock they want to do. So let's say they want to pick the pink color, and they're like, oh, I want to see what's under that rock. So then you could say, okay, that is number 1. And so you put it in your truck, and then they would have to do skill number 1. And then they say, all right, how about this one? And then so they're interacting, and then they can collect that one, and that's number 5. So then they would say the number 5 skill. And so you can see they can interact by choosing which one that they want to do. And then when they get a little wild, you can always clear the drawing board, because some of my kids will be like, I want to do that one. You're like, all right. But as long as they're practicing their skills, and here we go, we're going to do number 8. And so we will work on the number 8 skill. So that is how you play the dump truck game. Now, in just a second, I have a video of my son and me playing the hidden diamond version in print, but I want to show you that you can do it digitally as well. And so here I have the same game board, or at least a very similar game board, and behind one of these rocks is hidden a diamond. And so then they get to tell you which number. And so, okay, I want number 2. And so I'm glad that wasn't it. I can't remember where I put it. So we're going to figure this out together. We're going to discover the hidden diamond together. So then they would say skill number 2. And then number 10, nope, not there. And then they can guess number 8. And then they can guess number 7. And ta-da, they found the hidden diamond. And then they can close their eyes, and you can hide it in another spot, and then just put all the little rocks back. And it's a field. It doesn't have to be perfect. They don't have to be perfectly spaced. They can be anywhere. And so then they get to guess again. So that's super fun. And I find that my kids really enjoy, after they've played for the last time, usually they'll go through it 2 or 3 times, trying to find the hidden diamond, depending on how many turns it took to get there. And if I really want them to practice a specific skill or a specific sound, whatever we're working on, I'll hide it behind that number, because then I know for sure they're going to say that one. So that's kind of how I make that happen. But they like to hide it for my next friend. So I'll say, okay, I'm going to hide the diamond for the next kiddo that I'm going to see, but I want you to help me. Which number should we hide it behind? And they just really seem to love hiding it for the next child who's going to play. And so then it's easy to put them all back and get it set up and ready for the next kiddo to play. And then also in this product, you get the practice skills page. I can show you in another video like how I use it, but basically I just printed this page out, and for William, I said, okay, we're going to be working on simple addition, and I wrote down the skills that I wanted to work on, and then for each turn we said what we wanted to do. Now, sometimes I do not like to print and use up all of my ink, and so I have a low ink version for you, so the background isn't completely covered in a picture of dirt, but it's the same idea. You can put out your numbers and put your rocks on top of it and collect your rocks and have some fun. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to play. You ready?
Okay.
So
here is our game board, and what you're going to do is you're going to try to collect all of the rocks, and you get to put your rock in your dump truck after you answer a question, okay? Since we're working on math facts, you get to work on math facts. All right, so pick a rock. Which rock would you like to start with? All right, pick that one up. Let's see what you get. What number is that?
2.
2. Number 2 is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is?
7.
You nervous from the camera? You don't have to be nervous. All right, ready? Pick up another one. Dun, dun, dun. What number is it?
3.
3. Okay, what's 6 plus 1?
7.
Good job. Put it in your thing. All right, pick up another rock. Oh, 7. I wonder if the answer is going to be 7. You think it is? I don't know. All right. Oh, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Very good. All right, now let's pretend like you get one wrong. You ready? Pick it up. All right, number 5 is 4 plus 4, you know, is?
8.
8. But if you got it wrong, what would you say? Get it wrong. Say 4 plus 4 is?
10.
10. Then I would say, oh no, it fell into the road. All right, you'll have to collect that one again in a minute. All right, pick up another one. You got it right. You can put it in your truck. All right, what'd you get? A 6. Okay, number 6 is 7 plus 1.
8.
Very good. And dun dun dun. 4 is 5 plus 3.
8.
Okay, very good. And that's it. And once he's collected all of the rocks, then the game is over and you can lay them back out. And I'll teach you the hidden diamond version. Are you ready? Okay, so, all right, close your eyes. So I'm going to set this back up. Now we're working with a partial board today because I didn't print out all the rocks. Anyway, so I have a diamond, keep your eyes closed, a diamond, close your eyes, that I'm going to put underneath one of the rocks, and he's going to have to find which one has the hidden diamond. Okay, William?
On my first try,
No. All right, pick up a rock.
I'll do this one.
All right, oh,
7.
number 7. Okay, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
Good, all right, find another one. 6.
6.
Okay, put that in your truck. What's 7 plus 1?
8.
Good, look again. Oh, ta-da!
The
You
diamond.
found your diamond. Okay, you get to keep it. For number 4 is 5 plus 3.
8.
8, very good. That's for you.